In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Hostinger agents inside HPanel step by step so you can quickly get help without having to search through menus or spend extra time guessing what to do next. If you're a Hostinger user and you want faster support, smarter guidance, and an easier way to solve common website tasks, this feature can be incredibly useful. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger HPanel account. Open your browser, go to Hostinger, and sign in with the account that manages your website or hosting plan. Once you're inside HPanel, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where Hostinger keeps most of its main tools and navigation options, so it's the best place to start. Now find the section called Agents. When you see it in the left sidebar, click on it. This is the area that opens Hostinger's agent chat feature, which is designed to help you with different kinds of tasks and questions. Depending on what you need, you may be connected with different available agents, each focused on a specific type of support or guidance. After clicking Agents, you'll be taken into that agent chat window. This is where the conversation happens. Think of it like a built-in help assistant inside your Hostinger dashboard. Instead of searching through multiple support pages or trying to figure things out manually, you can simply describe what you need and let the agent guide you. At this point, you can choose the type of help you want based on the available agents. For example, you may want help with hosting settings, website setup, domain questions, or other account-related issues. The exact options may vary, but the process is the same. Pick the agent that best matches your problem and then start the conversation. Next, message the agent with a clear request. Be specific about what you need help with. For example, instead of saying something general like, "I need help," try saying something more direct, like, "I need help connecting my domain," or "I want to know how to update my website settings." The more clearly you explain your issue, the better the agent can respond with useful solutions. Once you send your message, the agent will provide guidance and possible solutions based on your request. You can follow the steps it gives you, ask follow-up questions, and continue the chat until your issue is resolved. This makes Hostinger agents a really convenient tool for getting quick answers right inside your dashboard. If the first response doesn't solve your problem completely, don't worry. You can keep refining your question and ask for more detail. For example, you can ask the agent to explain a step more simply, walk you through the process one step at a time, or help you troubleshoot if something isn't working correctly. That back and forth is what makes the chat feature so helpful, and that's really all there is to it. To use Hostinger agents, just log into HPanel, click Agents from the left sidebar, open the chat window, choose the type of help you need, and message the agent with your question. It's a quick and easy way to get support and move forward faster. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Hostinger and web hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.